Hi, Ma. Now we discuss about the comparison operators. Okay. Here, the operators, you are getting the result as true or false only. Okay. So, what are the comparison operators? Greater than, comma, less than, comma, greater than or equal, comma, less than or equal, comma, equal, not equal. Okay. Here we are comparing two numbers, whether the two numbers are equal, not equal, greater than or equal, less than or equal, like that. Okay. Now we have to take two numbers, A equal to 23, B equal to 12. Okay. Now what is A greater than B here? So now see, print of A greater than B. Okay, here A value is 23 and B value is 12. 23 is greater than 12. That is 2. Okay. Now check. Here you will be getting the output as true. Okay, ma? Now print of check less than A less than B. That means your A value is 23, B value is 12. That means 23 is less than 12. Then which result you are getting? False. Okay. So like that. The next one is print of A greater than or equal B. Okay. Here greater than 23 is greater than or equal 12. 23 is greater than 12 is to be true. That's why either greater or equal. Greater is to be true. That's why this is to be true. Okay. Next after that print of A less than or equal B. Okay. That means 23 is less than or equal 12. So 23 is less than 12 is false and 23 is equal to 12 is also false. That's why totally false. The next one is print of A equal to B. That means both are equal. 23 is equal to 12. So that is not correct. That's why this is also false. The next one is print of A not equal to B. That means 23 is not equal to B. Okay, it's correct. That's why now check the outputs. See now, so the first one is A greater than B. 23 greater than 12, you will be getting 2. The second one is A less than B. That is 23 less than 12. That is the false. The next one is A greater than or equal to B. Here A greater than B is true. That's why totally we are getting the true answer. Okay, A less than or equal B means 23 is less than or equal to 12. So 23 is less than 12 is to be false. Equal to is also to be false. That's why you will be getting false. A equal to B. That means you are saying 23 is equal to 12. Okay. So that is also false. Not equal. That is 23 is not equal to 12. So that is true now. So that's why we are getting true answer. Okay, ma? So, these are belongs to the comparison operators.